If you've ever tried logging into Telegram and realized you've forgotten your two-step verification password, don't worry. You're not alone, and you're definitely not locked out for good. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to reset your Telegram password so you can recover access to your account quickly and safely. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand not only what to do, but also why each step matters and how to avoid common pitfalls along the way. Let's dive right in and get your Telegram back up and running. So say you're trying to log into Telegram on a new device, or maybe your phone was wiped and you're reinstalling the app. Naturally, you'll be prompted to enter the verification code that Telegram sends to your registered phone number or your other active Telegram sessions. Once you've entered that code, Telegram will ask for your two-step verification password, the extra layer of security you might have set up to keep your account more secure. If your mind goes blank or you just can't remember the password you chose, it's okay. Here, what you want to do, try entering any password you think it might be. And if that doesn't work, don't be afraid to enter a wrong password once or twice. Telegram is designed to recognize when a user is genuinely struggling to recall their password, not just someone trying to brute force in. After a couple of incorrect attempts, you'll see a link or an option appear just below the password field. It'll usually say "Forgot password" or "Forgot your password." That's your golden ticket. Tap on that link. This "Forgot password" option is basically Telegram's way of offering you a helping hand, and it's important not to rush past this step. Some people get worried they'll be locked out for good, but as soon as you see this link, it means Telegram's recovery process is about to kick in. Now, the next steps hinge entirely on something you may have done earlier. Did you set up a recovery email address back when you enabled two-step verification? This decision now becomes the key to unlocking your account. If you added a recovery email, Telegram will send a password reset link or instructions straight to that email address. This is why it's so important to pick an email you have ongoing access to. Think of it like a spare key to your digital house. If you get this email, open it on your phone or computer and carefully follow the instructions. It'll usually involve clicking a link and then setting a new two-step verification password. Take your time here and pick something memorable but not easily guessed. If you're worried about remembering passwords in the future, consider using a password manager for peace of mind. But let's say you didn't set up a recovery email, maybe you skipped that step during your initial setup. In that case, Telegram can't send you a reset link. Unfortunately, this means you'll need to wait 7 days before you can set up a new two-step verification password on that device. Think of it a bit like a security buffer, Telegram's cautious approach to ensure only the real account owner can regain access. It can be a little frustrating, but it's there to protect you. During that waiting period, make sure you don't try to reset your password repeatedly, as that might restart the timer. It's a good idea to set yourself a reminder for a week later so you can come back and finish the reset process when the waiting period is up. And that's really all there is to it. Resetting your Telegram password isn't as scary as it might feel at first. You just need to know the right steps and understand the process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips of your own. And remember to subscribe for more guides just like this. Your digital life just got a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.